Okay guys, so we're doing a little bit of work today on the car. We're checking it after our run at Friendship.
Thought you were done. And we're
With
back.
life? Yes.
We are back.
Oh.
Action. Take two.
Okay, so we're headed to the shop right now. I had to go get some money out to pay Joey for some American Racer tires he ordered for me, so that way we can go run East Lincoln. So plans kind of got messed up. One, we could not get those tires until today. We were planning on racing last weekend, but that just did not end up happening. Once we found out that the tires weren't going to be here till later, we were like, we'll do something else. We were going to go to the racetrack with James on Saturday, the 4th of July, and his car broke on Friday night at Carolina, so that kind of killed all of our plans for this week, or last weekend, so sorry about that, but racing happens. Let's see what else. We are not running this weekend, which is the whatever this weekend is,
12-ish.
because we have to work Saturday, so we're not gonna be able to go anywhere. Yeah, it's this past couple weeks have been crazy, and also, much to my dismay, we're having to postpone our Florida trip, the trip to Volusia Speedway, because just some things ended up happening and it's not going to work out the weekend we had planned it for. So we're having to postpone it. Hopefully we can get down there this year. As soon as we can find a date to go, we'll let you guys know. I really hate to cancel the Volusia trip. I was looking forward to it, but it is not going to work out the way we had planned it. So, we had to cancel it. I think we're still planning on going to Volunteer the date we planned for, which is
It's
here.
August 9th.
It's August 9th.
I think so.
Well, there you go. Joey knows.
August 9th. Ish.
Are you sure it's August 9th?
I'm pretty sure.
Because we would be working that Saturday.
Anyway, it's sometime in August.
Yeah, so,
We do know that.
well, the bad thing is I'm going to put a graphic up of when we're going as we're arguing about when we're going, because we don't know. Yeah, so we'll get that up there.
We're here for your entertainment.
But anyways, we're not going to wash the car today because it's like raining like off and on pretty hard. So we're just not going to wash it. It really wasn't even that dirty.
No.
Mostly dusty. But we are going to do a good bolt check on the car because this was the first race back for the car this year. Definitely going to check out the rear end too. Make sure we didn't absolutely destroy it or cook it or something like that. Because I did catch that big whiff of gear oil, which is why I had to slow down coming to green, because I thought I had broke something. And it scared the crap out of me because those gears are pretty expensive. But we got lucky so far, I think, knock on wood. But anyways, I'm just rambling now. We'll see you guys at the barn, not the shop.
Yes.
We're at the barn today because shop's full, I think.
Yeah. The barn.
Yeah, anyway, we'll see you guys in a little bit. So we're here.
I'm here.
Yay. Oh God. Yeah, so it's raining, but like really bright out, so awesome. Anyways, I did get the engine compartment sort of cleaned up. If we don't tear the air cleaner off of it first. Yeah. So it's definitely better than what it was. There's still like some kind of deep staining in here, which that's coming out with my finger now, so we'll ignore that. I did check the motor over a couple days ago and everything looked fine. I didn't see any leaks, anything like that. If you're wondering what that is, we had to run that because the filter was the wrong size for this post. So we ended up putting a rag over it to cover it up, which it's kind of secured down like that. So we're going to get a new filter. But other than that, everything looked pretty good. Oh yeah. So we're just getting the fenders pulled real quick so that way we can check down on the front suspension and we don't have to bend up the fenders any more than what they are. When I made these, I should have put a brace underneath them, but I didn't. Ta-da!
horse eating. What the hell is that? No, I only hear that when I eat. I just thought about it as I turned around when that camera was aimed up.
That is the spindle nut down there.
I do have it. I have 2 halves. That makes a hole. Ah!
Having fun?
Not really.
Why not?
Because my big ass don't fit in here.
Well, I mean, actually you do, because you were able to check the fluid. You need assistance getting back out?
Maybe.
Let's make sure we get that wrench though before.
Oh, I've got to go back in.
Well,
I'm getting a rag. What you doing there, buddy?
we're gonna check some brake fluid, some old clutch fluid. We're running out of fasteners, so we may need to order some because I dropped them down in the freaking frame rail where I can't get to them.
So the car rattles a little bit.
Yeah, car rattles a little bit now. But yeah, we're just gonna double check our fluid and whatnot, make sure everything's good. All hunky-dory. We're gonna have another video probably next week before we go race because we gotta put new tires on the car. What else do we have to do?
I just got to finish
setup check.
Yeah.
Setup check. We gotta do setup check because this is not the place to kind of check everything because again, this was the first race back. I just want to make sure that none of the ride heights changed, anything like that, camber caster or whatever. Because I think we were pretty good on setup once we figured out that our handling issue wasn't like chassis, it was tire. So that makes me happy. But we may have to loosen the car up a good amount for East because there's not nearly like any banking like Friendship does. So let's take a look. Take a looky-loo. That one's good. Squeeze. Oh. Man, I hate I hate how this, like, my master cylinders are not like center of this.
Yeah.
I hate that so much. A little low on that, but I think that's the one we bled, wasn't it?
Yes.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't clutch, which would be the cap.
I mean, it's not like bad, but more add some fluid. So, we're sweating our butts off. It's just humid here. It's still like sunshiny and rain. I don't know.
Carolina.
Yeah, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but so far everything has been good. I don't think we've had any issues. Check like, you know, power steering and whatnot. It was good. Coolant looks good. I think we've definitely got the cooling issue figured out. If you guys watched my channel last year, you know I had a lot of issues with overheating. That's actually what hurt our motor. So yeah, everything looks good. We didn't lose any fluid. Radiator looks pretty clean, but we're still definitely going to clean that very well. We don't want to have a buildup of dirt and end up causing more heating issues. So that's definitely something we're going to keep a very watchful eye on. Fluid in the one brake mash cylinder was a little low. Not really sure why. So we haven't seen any loose fittings. We put wrenches on them and nothing's loose. I don't see any liquid. Maybe we just, when we re-bled stuff, it wasn't, you know, we didn't cap it back off, but we'll definitely keep an eye on that. Catherine's here now. Hi. Hi. So yeah, we're in another video. We're going to do tires and whatnot, checking setup, stuff like that. So anywho, well guys, I think that's all I really have for this video here. Week 1 in the book. We don't really have anything tore up, so that's fantastic. And no racing for me Saturday because I will be working. Hopefully Friday we can be at Carolina. If not, it all depends on if James can get his car fixed or not. So hopefully he will and he'll get back out there. He has had no luck this year, so we're hoping he gets back soon. And then the 18th will be at East Lincoln on that Saturday, but we did have to cancel Volusia trip, so I don't know, that sucks.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, so I want to say a quick shout out to our Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much for what you do, for what you continue to do. Thank you to all of our sponsors for all of their commitment to us and helping us out and get this car back together. But with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching the video, and as always, we will see you in the next video.